Hey, it's the Math Union of Hand, and we're going to be solving another problem that we had in our math meets. So this problem is called the solution of zero. But before we get to the problem, there's an update about how we number and level the problems. So, by relating it to Super Mario, here's an example. If a problem was made in 2019 and it was in round 4 and was level 3, what we're going to say is 2019 will become world 9 because of that last digit in the year. And the level is going to stay the same as 3. So that's our only update about identifying the problems. Let's try and solve a problem that was made in 2013, and it was round 3, level 1. Let's see what this problem is.
Let's go!
Our problem is solve for x. 6 minus x equals 2 with parentheses 3 plus x. So what we're going to try and do is solve for x. Trying to find x is what a lot of schools in your area teach when you're in your middle school or your high school. So pretty much this can be easily done. What we could do is get an answer as x equals a number, x equals something. So with this problem, the first step is to use the parentheses because we could use GEMS or PEMDAS, like order of operations. So 2 multiplied by 3 and 2 multiplied by x, that's going to be 6 plus 2x because with parentheses, you're actually multiplying inside the parentheses by 2. You get to multiply how many numbers there are in the parentheses at the same time. So we simplified and we have 6 minus x equals 6 plus 2x. After doing that step, we have this equation right here. 6 minus x equals 6 plus 2x. But there's something that we can't do. 1, if we subtract that by 2x and subtract this by 2x, we're going to get an answer of 6 minus 3x equals 6. And that is actually very odd because what we want to try is get x alone. Sounds like we can't because if you insert like 1, 2, or 3 into x, this side 6 minus 3 plus multiplied by 1, 2, or 3 is going to be more than 6. Let's say we add 2 into x. So 6 minus 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6 minus 6 is 0. Equal 6. So that cannot be true. 0 does not equal 6. So what we can do is add 0 in for x. So if you multiply the x's by 0, this is what it would look like. 6 minus 0 is going to equal 6 plus 2 multiplied by 0. And 6 minus 0 is just 6. And 6 plus 2 multiplied by 0, 2 multiplied by 0 is 0. 6 plus 0 is 6. So we have 6 and 6. What we could say is x is going to equal 0 because that's our only answer to this problem. Many kids that see this right here think it's a false statement, and they also think the answer is no solution. But it's actually not. Have you tried out 0? If 0 works, then you have completed this level. Did you know on a math test, one of our questions was 4x equals 3x? And many kids got this answer wrong because they thought it was no solution. But what happens if we put in 0 for both x's? 4 multiplied by 0 is 0, and 3 multiplied by 0 is 0. So 0 does equal 0. This is a similar problem, because the answer is 0 when many people react and think it's no solution. That's why we call it the solution of 0. Level complete! Here is the official problem and our answer on this worksheet. 2013. Solve for x as an exact answer. And our answer was 0. Thank you for watching the Math Union of Hand. Like and subscribe.